This is Biafra people, the indigenous people of Biafra. This is where we gathered today. We are going to march today to the British Embassy. This is the people. This is everybody's here. So we are going to march down to the British Embassy. These are all family of Biafrans all over the world. We gather here. We are going to take our march down to the British Embassy. We are here, everybody is here. We are resolute, we are ready to move, and we are ready to go. These are Biafra. We are in the Plaza de Castilla, and here in Madrid, so everybody can see us. We are going to take our march down there. In a short time, I have to be with you people again. Okay. These are Biafra, the indigenous people of Biafra. Looking for our freedom. Fighting for our freedom.
We are putting the word on notice. When they brought the war on us.
Yes. When our people can't let go. Family.